Most agents struggle to generate leads without paid ads or spending hours cold calling. Well, you don't need to spend a dime to start bringing in leads today, and I'm going to show you how the best agents in the country do it and do it consistently. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. If we haven't met yet, I run a real estate business here in Rochester, Minnesota called Domaille Real Estate with my husband Bruce, and we help real estate agents grow their businesses with practical, proven strategies that really work in the real world. They're not just theory. So I've been in the real estate industry for a little over 28 years, and I've learned that the agents who consistently generate leads don't always have the biggest ad budget. They just have the right habits. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 free lead generation methods that top producers swear by because they actually work. They're simple and you can start them today. So let's get right into it. The first strategy is birthday and home anniversary texts. How do you feel when you get that surprise message from someone about something special that you didn't even realize you were going to get? Awesome, I bet. Well, this is one of the easiest and most personal ways to stay top of mind without selling. Go into your phone or your CRM, find your past clients or sphere, and send them a short, friendly message. It might be something like, "Hey Sarah, happy 2-year home anniversary. I hope you're still loving your house." You're not asking for business, you're just showing that you care. And these small touches remind people that you're in real estate and that you're thoughtful. That combo builds trust and it sparks future conversations. Pro tip: send a voice text for even more impact. Now, the second strategy is social media direct message outreach. Every day, spend at least 10 minutes just replying to Instagram or Facebook stories. You can respond to what people are posting, whether it's their kid's soccer game, a new recipe, or a vacation post. And I'm not talking about just a like. Ask questions, show genuine interest, and stay consistent. You're not pitching yourself, you're building relationships. So the more people feel connected to you, the more likely they're going to think of you when real estate comes up in their life or their friends' lives. Now, the third strategy is leveraging Facebook community groups. You can join a few active groups in your area, like local buy-sell pages or neighborhood watch groups, or even mom and dad groups. Show up regularly, answer questions, and offer helpful information, not just about real estate. If someone's asking for a good plumber or an electrician, you can reply quickly with a name, and then they're going to remember that. And when real estate gets brought up, guess who they're going to trust and think of? You. And if you even have a video that you made that covers one of their questions, you could post it there and let them watch and see you too. Now, the fourth strategy is running a Did You Know text campaign. This one is incredibly effective if you've already got a list of warm contacts. Send a short text like, "Did you know your home might be worth $50,000 more than when you bought it? Would you like a quick update on its current value?" This creates curiosity and it really opens the door to a CMA conversation without being overly pushy. Now, you're giving them helpful information and that starts the relationship. The fifth strategy is using video message follow-ups. When a lead comes in, whether it's from an open house, a website inquiry, or a past client, take 30 seconds to record a quick personal video. It could be something simple like, "Hey Jason, it was great meeting you today. Let me know if you want help finding a home in that school district." People respond to faces and voices way more than they do to emails, and this personal approach helps you stand out and it really builds connection. Now, don't try to do all 5 at once. Choose one of these strategies and commit to it for at least 7 days, and then track who you contact, what you say, and how many conversations you start. You're actually going to be surprised at how much traction you get without even spending $1. The key though is staying consistent and showing up with value, not asking for business, but earning it through meaningful engagement. Then make sure that you follow up consistently with everyone you've started a conversation with. So if this helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real estate training videos every week. And if you want daily strategies like this, check out the rest of our videos right here on our channel. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. I'll see you in the next one.